Sasa juu mwende kwa media trip yenu, sasa mkae hapo. Texas movie kama Ulaya. Hiyo tu ni mchezo.
Not forgetting also the rains. Naoni maneno hakuna kunyeshewa tena hapa ni kama
ada kulitan. These are lights. Berarti nyasi apa nih? Ini nih nyasi ini bagus.
I want to thank members of the committee for this oversight visit. This is an ongoing parliamentary session. It's only that now we have moved the session into a much more elaborate demonstration. I want to thank the chairman and the members of the committee For this session, we have actually visited Talanta Sports City, we have visited Nyayo, and finally we are here in Kasarani. And basically the objective was confirm the work that is going on, but also to confirm to all Kenyans that we are ready to host CHAN.
As a committee and with the CS is just to come and confirm that what the ministry has been doing is in line with what they have been coming to report to us in the boardroom. And on behalf of the committee, we are satisfied that what the doubting Thomas have been saying about Kenya hosting CHAN and AFCON, we want to confirm to them that yes, Kenya is ready. We have seen the facilities and we have seen the works that has been going on. I think this is the route to go. And I want to appreciate the president of this country who has actually gone out of his way. And this is the first time that we are having a president that appreciates sports. Because these facilities have been around, but they have never been to the international standards. And that is why Kenya is now ready to host AFCON and to host CHAN. So I want to appreciate the ministry in conjunction with the Ministry of Defense that has made this success. And we want to say, going forward, that we should be able to say that there is value for the money as we have seen and as we have walked around. Even as the oversighting committee, now we can appreciate that even when we do the allocations for this ministry, and I want to urge Treasury to know that this is the ministry that takes care of the 70% population of this country. This is the only ministry that should be given funds so that we can occupy the youth. The youth can only be occupied through what this ministry is doing. And therefore, I want to plead with the executive and particularly the Treasury that the percentage of the budget of this country, much more of it should come to the Ministry of Sports, Youth and Creative Arts. For the reason is, if we do not occupy this youth now, they will occupy Parliament tomorrow. As a committee, and we really want to appreciate what the ministry has done under the captainship of CS Mufuria.
At least you've been able to appreciate what is happening here on the ground. And we have agreed with all contractors, both for this field and all the other training grounds. They will be handing over the key on the 25th.